Oregon. Now, do y'all notice the difference in the noise? I'm going to tell you, most of the roads are not very good, and they're loud. And then when you hit a piece of road that's recently been blacktopped or something like that, it's like everything gets so quiet. I'm telling you, earlier I went through a big long strip of really nice quiet road, and the silence was almost deafening. Now there's a Porsche in front of me, and he's doing 50 miles an hour. I'm not getting that really. I believe the speed limit is 70. Let's see who that is doing that. Oh yeah, way older gentleman. So it's amazing what a difference that the sound in the road can make, and I love it. But that's not what I'm going to talk to y'all about. I'm going to talk to you about shower heads and toothbrushes. Now, I've used these same toothbrushes for quite a while, and they're made by Colgate, and they're a fairly small head on them with black pointy bristles. And of course I get the soft ones. Now, they're not fancy toothbrushes. They don't have a circle of bristles inside a rectangle of bristles with the rubber, did y'all hear that? With the rubber gummy things on the outside. It's just a plain good toothbrush, and you need a gentle toothbrush. You will scrub the enamel off your teeth and damage your gums if you use a medium, and God forbid you use a hard bristled toothbrush. I can't remember the name of them, but I just got new ones, and I was getting them, well, wherever I could find them, Walmart. I haven't been able to find them. And they advertise that they're almost like using dental floss, and that's true. Those little pointy bristles really get down in there around your gums and clean really well. Like I said, they're by Colgate. If you look them up on Amazon, you'll see that the bristles are black. Now, they say something about being charcoal. I don't know about whatever that is. I don't care about that. But I was buying these and paying almost $5 a toothbrush because I like them that much. Well, I just ordered some off Amazon, and I got 3 for $4.89, something like that, under $5. So if you guys, you know, I gave one to my son and he loves it. Okay, that's it about the toothbrushes. And now I cannot remember the name of the shower head. It's not pyrogenics. It's something genics. This is so ridiculous. But anyway, this shower head is used by people who have RVs, like Class A's, Class C's, Class B's, whatever, any place that has a shower. And the way they work is somehow or another, the air mixes with the water and it creates a lot more water pressure. Now, when you buy an RV, they have those itty bitty, they look like a shower head that a child would use. So, why the heck can I not? I can see them. I can see them in my mind, but what the heck? Somebody will know and you'll tell us. But anyway, they're awesome shower heads. They're a little bit more expensive than a regular shower head, but you kind of get what you pay for, y'all. Now, I don't know that I'll be able to get one of those when the bathroom gets remodeled, but I hope so. I've heard really, really good reviews, and people that have them really like them a lot. Now, my son, Aaron, y'all, he's got one of those steel bathtubs that you can clean, and it's just slick and clean and beautiful. Oh my gosh, his water pressure is to die for. I really am going to miss that shower a lot. But, you know, I think things are simple things, I think, are usually better. Simple ways of doing things, the way things work, if they're simple, I think they work better. It's like a washing machine, y'all. How many freaking cycles do you need on a washing machine? Hot, cold, tepid, delicate, freezing, scorching. I mean, it's ridiculous. You want heavy, you want delicate, you want medium delicate, I mean, it's ridiculous. I mean, really, why do you need all of that? Why do people pay so much money? And I guarantee you, the majority of people don't use all that stuff, y'all. You might have 2 or 3 different combinations that you use to wash your clothes. It's crazy. Now, my son has a washing machine, and I'm going to tell you, I don't like it. And here's why. It is a water sensor washing machine. So, what it does is you put your clothes in there. Why did I move over? Oh, to let traffic in. Okay. Here we go. So anyway, you load the washing machine up, and then you set the gizmos you want. You put your soap or whatever in there, and you shut it, and you turn it on. Well, it locks the lid. Now, I hate that. I like to raise the lid, and I like to look down at my clothes and see them agitating. And if you have a front loader, that's even better because you can see them getting cleaned. But, you know, it's just, simple is better. And the other thing I don't like about it is that, you know, how does that washer know how much water I want to clean my clothes with? I want to judge that myself. So to me, that washing machine is too fancy. And I'm sure it gets the clothes clean and all of that, but I just like a nice, simple machine. You know, a dryer only needs to be delicate, warm, and hot. That's all you need. But anyway, y'all, those are just some thoughts I had. I just kept thinking I was going to remember the name of that shower head, which I will remember as soon as I turn off the video. Okay, I'll talk to y'all later. Bye now.